Carissa Solberg on course with Secret. Secret is a 4-year-old female border collie, and they are here from Sparta, Wisconsin. Carissa says that Secret got her name because she didn't tell anyone she was getting another dog. She's also over her dog limit, and so she's her little secret. Carissa and Secret.
Secret, running on course with Carissa Solberg, here from Wisconsin. One of the favorite places that she has enjoyed traveling to was Ireland. And at some point in her future, she'd like to make time to travel to Spain. Carissa isn't too particular on her retirement home. She says she would be happy anywhere that never gets snow. This is Carissa and Secret. Here we have Carissa Solberg and Secret. Carissa says that Secret would be a Cadillac, smooth and reliable. And as a plant, she would be a rose, pretty to look at, but watch out for the thorns. Her job would be a librarian because she likes to keep things in order. And as a bird, she would be an African gray because she is too smart for her own good. That's Carissa and Secret. Carissa Solberg working with Secret. Carissa tells us that Secret much prefers to sleep in bed with Carissa, along with Carissa and Secret. There are 3 other dogs. So in total, 4 dogs, 1 human, 1 bed. Secret tells us that playtime is much preferable to walking, and she much prefers playing with her frisbee, playing fetch, and tug toys. That's Carissa and Secret. And our first 16-inch dog and handler team for this division is Carissa Solberg and Secret. Carissa is an online content editor for Kaplan University, back in Wisconsin. She says her dream job would be anything that deals with animals and also would pay the bills. Something she says she has in mind would be a veterinarian. Takes lots of schooling, though. In her off time, Carissa enjoys karaoke. This is Carissa and Secret. Standard team, Carissa Solberg and Secret. You've seen her out here before, this time with Secret, who is a 4-year-old girl. They are here from Sparta, Wisconsin. Carissa says 800 miles is the furthest she has traveled to go to an agility trial, and this is her 3rd championship that she has entered. This is Carissa and Secret.
Here's Carissa Solberg, and here comes Secret. Secret is a 4-year-old female quarter collie. This team is from Wisconsin. Carissa says Secret is a good dog, patient, allows herself to be dressed up in props and pose for stupid pet pictures, as long as treats are involved. She likes to play in the yard, and if she finds the landscape fabric that's been put down to keep the weeds from growing, she digs at it and yanks it up. Because it's just a fun thing to do, Mom.